equipment list and object attributes. Among other use cases, the equipment list is good for getting an overview of object attributes. With object attributes, you can add additional planning information to objects. The attributes can also be used to find models in the layout more easily, for example, using the equipment number. Select the object in the layout and click on Properties in the Dynamic menu. Under Object Data, select Custom Attributes and thus create your own object attributes. Under List of Equipment, you can now find the added attributes. You can export the data to Microsoft Excel, complete the list for other objects as well, and import the newly created list. Under Explorer Search, you can find your objects through the newly assigned attributes.